Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Y'all know I already got to take off this crusty dusty ginger wig. I had this in for a minute and it was just time for it to go. Luckily my shipment came in time and a wig was sent to me, and I'm gonna review it, so y'all finna see this. Y'all, if this camera is dark, I apologize. I really don't know what to do, like how to fix it. Nancy. Hey guys, it's Kadasia and I'm back with another video. I be rushing and stuff like that. Well, I'm rushing right now because I have somewhere to go. It's 3:10. I have somewhere to go at 5. So I don't know, I just been doing everything really backwards. I don't know what's going on with me, but yeah. So today's video is sponsored by West Kiss Hair. They sent me this unit. I actually should have showed y'all the unit before I started, you know, doing my thing. So send me over this unit. It looks way different than what it looked like before. I should have showed it to y'all, my bad. It was definitely curled, and if you had scissor team before, y'all know how blonde can be yellow. But I just put purple shampoo and I went ahead and bleached the knots and everything on this unit too. All I have to really do is just pluck it a little bit and then it should be ready. But yeah, this is what it looks like because I put purple shampoo in. The hair density is 180. They gave me a large cap because I always say large because you never know. So this is a 22-inch 13x4 lace frontal wig. You know, they send you a little bag with some goodies inside. They sent me a bonnet, some lashes, a hair comb. Y'all, I be collecting the combs now. I definitely be collecting the combs. They sent me a elastic band, and I'm pretty sure they sent me the scarf that I took out the thing and started using already because I needed a scarf. Like every time I get a new scarf, they always disappear. They also sent me the scarf. Thank you guys so much for giving me the opportunity to review y'all wigs. So I'm just gonna go back into my tutorial. So yeah. So y'all, now I'm about to do my ear tabs. These kind of gave me a little bit of a problem, so I kind of had to do it off camera, but y'all could kind of see like where I'm going with this. Like you just cut before your ear so your ear can fit into your wig.
Big time forward. The star boy there, so.
Y'all should know the drill. I'm going in with 3 layers of Bold Hold Active. That and Erica J is the only glue that I use. So if you ever see me using a glue, it's either Bold Hold or it's either Erica J.
Between me and me paper. So when me come in and the place me on that take. Yeah, 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 yeah.
so mad because my camera cut off at the end of this clip, so I can't even show y'all my true melting process before the end of the video. But basically, after I cut off all my lace, I just go in with a little bit of makeup and some spritz, blow dry that on cool, and then tie my hair down again and then take it off. And that's basically my melting process as of right now. Sometimes it changes, but if it ever changes, I'm gonna let y'all know. Y'all gonna be the first one to know. Trust and believe. Alright y'all, so this is what it's looking like. Y'all know with his hair gives straight scalp. Y'all know I pluck to straight scalp, so this is what the scalp is looking like. I do want to see a baby hair tutorial to where I put all the different types of baby hairs that I tried or attempt to do. Y'all let me know down below in the comments. Thank you so much to West Kids Hair for sponsoring this video. If you guys do want to try out any of the wigs that they have, I'll put it down below in the description. Yeah, I decided to go with no baby hairs only because I just thought it was really just giving scalp, and it really is giving scalp, to be honest. The lace is so good. Like, I'm thinking that I'm gonna need to do baby hairs for this wig, and no, I don't need to do baby hairs at all. Y'all see me with no baby hairs right now. Y'all just see this little piece sticking out a little bit. Y'all know I gotta put something. Really love this hair. It's very full and very thick and super smooth. Like, I keep running my fingers through it. Like, I don't know what it is about new wigs, but I just always have to run my fingers through it because it's just so freaking soft. And I love West Kids hair because their hair is literally always soft, but it actually looks super duper cute and I really love it. I'm so glad I like toned it and everything. But yeah, if you guys are interested in the wig, it'll be down below in the description if you guys do want to try it out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I have some more bangers and stuff like that for y'all coming out soon. Make sure you guys comment down below and subscribe and like the video if you did like it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.